Hi guys, Rovic Pasito here. Kasama ko ang aking dating kabibo biker na si Churchill or mas kilala siya sa internet as Chill
Decals.
Chill Decals, okay? Grabe to ka-talented kasi actually ang main work ni Chill is a 3D visual artist. Tama ba yan?
Yes.
Okay, so pwede mo ba i-divulge sa aming mga client mo? Hindi. Confidential, di ba? But you serve clients here and abroad.
Local and abroad.
Grabe. Pero itong kanyang ginagawa, itong mga kalo, as you can see, ayan. It's called the Tracker Cup at siyang naggumawa nito. As you can see, may logo. And eto na, yung ating I will give my all
Yes.
na inspirational mantra. Pero chill, matanong kita.
Yes.
You are a hobbyist when it comes to these
Yes.
things. Kasi, di ba, expertise mo yan.
Mm-hmm.
Pero, paano ba ginigive ni Chill ang kanyang all when doing these things?
Kaya nga, I will give my all. So, this is my passion talaga na to give my all, na to express my hobbies, something like that. Then, at the same time, pampawala lang ng stress sa daily works ko. So, yun.
As you can see, kumbaga, ang sinasabi ni Chill, when he saw my inspirational call,
Yes.
sabi niya, parang na-attract siya doon and he want it to be put into the things he does. So, kaya siya nagsabi na, Brad, gawa tayo nito na project and let's not limit it to us na gamit ko lang, gamit niya lang, but let's share it kasi, di ba ang ganda nun, pag gamit mo yung isang quote or isang mantra mo, parang nare-remind ka, di ba?
Yes. Can I shout out
Yeah,
something?
go.
Sa lahat po ng mga local artists natin, please PM me. If you have a design na gusto mong i-print dito,
Yes.
I will help.
Guys, Chill is doing this not for money, okay?
Yeah.
It's his passion to help local artists build their own products. So, if you want to have a logo like this and
You have artwork,
or artwork like that,
you want to put on your cup,
yeah,
just PM me.
contact Chill Decals, contact this guy. 3D International ang ginagawa. Bakit hindi niya kayang gawin sa atin mga locals? This guy also does repainting sa mga bike. Okay? Sorry, Chill, i-hype na kita dito. Especially sa aking mga triathlon friends. You know, merong isang tri-bike dito na project niya. And soon, hindi ko lang alam kung kanino yan. Secret daw, hindi pwede sabihin. But soon, it will be out. Pero Chill, if they want to to see your works, so ikaw na mag-promote.
For bike frames, decals, you can visit my page, Chill Decals, ChillDekalz.
Okay.
Chill Decals.
Chill Decal. So, visit his page. Well, guys, wag na kayong magdalawang isip. If you want to order these cups, you can go to Chill Decals or to my page. Ililink ni Chill yun. And it's only for 280 pesos. Siya may gawa nun. So, ilang days ba, Chill, pag nag-order sila?
Actually, pag mag-order sila morning, siguro the next day, pwede na.
Okay, so ayan, meron siyang mga isi-send sa inyo ng mga colors ng cup. So it's nice because if you look at my inspirational mantra that I will give my all, it will remind you to give your all as you do your work, di ba?
Yes.
So guys, thank you and just be posted with what we're going to do in the couple of days.
Yeah.
Okay, bye guys.
Bye.